TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut. 50,000 subscribers, that is ridiculous. Thank you so much. I never expected to actually grow this far and certainly not this fast. It's been an incredible journey so far. I'm really thankful for it. We've created so much cool stuff together. We've got five new shows now, I think, in the works. Tip Trace, my analysis and deconstruction show. Tip Talks, the podcast where I interview creative designers. Tip Walks, my vlog series. Tip Trials, the new one where I take on challenges set by you or me or the internet. And Tip Learns, where I talk about my postgraduate study, which is going to be starting in September, which is creeping ever closer now. With that in mind, and with the channel growing in mind, I'm going to do more on-camera stuff. So I'm going to be on camera in Tip Trace and Tip Trials, and obviously Tip Walk still, things like that, because I've got a little green screen set up now, which takes a little bit of doing, but it's worth it. And I'll be also doing the occasional live stream as well, although I can't really commit to a schedule for that because of my postgraduate stuff starting in September. So if you catch one of them, great, that's really lucky. They are kept on the channel afterwards in an unlisted playlist, so you can view it from the channel called live stream archives, so you can watch them afterwards if you do miss them. My postgrad starts in September, and I'll have a little bit more information to share about that pretty soon, so keep tuned, and hopefully I'm planning to share as much of that as possible. So for those new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much. For old subscribers, welcome back. And let's keep going. Here's to 100k.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.